In crowded rooms, a sneeze becomes a miniature weather system, hurling droplets that travel farther than common intuition. Scientists use high-speed cameras to map droplet velocity, revealing that wind, temperature, and humidity decide how far mist spreads. Even a single sneeze can seed a brief cloud that lingers briefly, yet most droplets evaporate before hitting surfaces. Masking and ventilation cut exposure dramatically by redirecting airflow and trapping particles in filters. Understanding this tiny fluid storm helps reduce transmission and reminds us how everyday physics shapes health.